let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I am so excited to finally be sharing part 2 of my Christmas clean and decorate. I'm adding a few touches to the living room that I didn't do in part 1. I'm also decorating my nook area and my kitchen. I also have a really yummy lasagna recipe. Today's video is packed, so let's jump right in.
times.
So for this room, the things that I added are the joy sign here on the shelves, the gold and white bottle brush trees. I also added this little village to one of my shelves and the striped blanket. I'm also going to be adding in a Santa stop here and ladder from Hobby Lobby. If you missed my haul video or you haven't seen my Christmas clean and decorate part 1, I will have my entire Christmas 2021 playlist linked in the description box down below.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.
I'm going to quickly put all of my new kitchen decor in the dishwasher while we finish decorating the living room. Let me know in the comments down below, do you decorate your kitchen for Christmas? They have so much fun baking and cooking stuff out this year. It is going to be so much fun to have these pieces in the kitchen, but let me know, are you guys decorating yours?
Have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Next, we are heading to the nook area. I'm just going to straighten up this area. I did a very simple table decor. I just used this bottle brush tree, and actually the gold piece is a tree topper. So always think outside the box. Decor does not have to be used in the way that it is intended. You can use it in other pieces. And if you're not new to my channel, then you know I am a slave to this glass table. So first we're going to use the peppermint spray and get all of the stuck on food off of it. Then I'm going to go in with the glass spray and get it all sparkly and clean.
First for you and me, the snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow
You guys, this candle from Home Goods, Balsam Fir, it smells so good that I had to buy 2 of them. I have one in the living room by the Christmas tree, and then I'm putting one right here on this basket because I'm planning on putting 2 trees in the nook area after I am done cleaning off the glass. It smells so amazing. I love the smell of fresh Christmas trees in my house, but I'm allergic. If you're not new to my channel, you may have seen that last year and in years past I have done real garland on my stairs. I still break out and everything, but totally worth it. Absolutely love it. So when I can't have that real Christmas tree, I really love to have the balsam fir candles. It smells so amazing.
then it's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere.
I love these trees here this year. It just adds so much more sparkle. I was actually thinking about getting those curtain lights. Have you guys seen those? Let me know in the comments if you've ever used those. I really was thinking about putting one over maybe my window or my opposite wall where my big gold mirror is. These pillows are from Kohl's, I think maybe last year. And then I'm just going to add in a black vase, and you know I always have to have my little touches of black. And then this is just a stem from Hobby Lobby.
The first for you and me.
Next, I am just wiping down my backsplash and my counters. Then I'm going to bring in this little cake stand. We are going to put all of my holiday soap, lotion, and hand wash on here. Then I'm bringing in this super cute gingerbread house. And this sign, I want to say is Target maybe a couple years ago as well. The little trees are from Dollar General last year. We're going to light a candle so it can smell just like a real bakery. Then I'm just going to wipe down the windows here, and then we're just going to keep it moving all along the entire counters until everything is decorated. I totally forgot to mention, this is how you know I need some coffee today. I forgot to mention that my theme for the kitchen is Mrs. Claus Bakery, gingerbread, all of the things. So I use another cake stand with this countdown to Christmas, gingerbread house, the little sign, the bottle brush tree, adding a little bit of my peppermint Mrs. Meyer's spray. Then I'm going to take all of these super cute cookie cutters and put them in a vase. This sign is from Target. It's so cute, but I'm so excited to add this piece in. I don't know if this is my mom or my grandma's, but it is a vintage Santa cookie jar. Love, love, love. Now I'm adding in all of my new pieces from Home Goods. Let me know in the comments down below so far, what is your favorite space that I've decorated? Next, I'm adding in this dish towel. The tree that I'm about to add in a second is actually from Target, and then a little bit of twinkle lights to finish off the space. I love adding twinkle lights to the kitchen. It just gives it such a nice glow at night with just the Christmas trees on. If you've never added twinkle lights to your kitchen, add it to your spoons and stuff like I did here. You will seriously love it. We are heading to the coffee bar area. I am just going to wipe everything down. We're going to add in some new fun Christmas coffee and turn this into a hot cocoa bar. For my tiered tray, I'm going to add in all of my new kitchen pieces from Hobby Lobby. I'm also going to add in these vintage Santa cups that belong to my family. I love them. We've had them forever. They're so cute and very trendy this year. I also wanted to add in the milk for Santa. I thought that would be really cute on my espresso machine. I picked up some new coffee from Starbucks. This is a Christmas blend. So many of you messaged me saying that you wanted to try it. It is very good, but it's very strong, very, very strong. So if you do not do well with caffeine, I definitely recommend trying decaf. Now I am just going to unpack all of my items to get the hot cocoa bar ready. I'm actually going to start dinner before we start the hot cocoa bar, but I wanted to mention that my Target never got any of the fun like marshmallows and things that you saw, and so I went to a different grocery store and it was like it was $8 for like 3 marshmallows. I was like, absolutely not. So we went to Dollar Tree and I'll show you guys that in a second. But this is an amazing lasagna that I made for dinner. It was quick. These are just the ingredients that I had in my refrigerator. So we put it together because the kids were starving, and I will have this recipe linked in my description box down below. For this ricotta mixture, it's super simple. A little bit of parsley, Italian seasoning, salt, 1 egg, Parmesan, mozzarella, and ricotta cheese. Then I'm just going to mix it all together.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more.
After that is done mixing, you're going to put a little bit of the meat sauce at the bottom of your pan. You're going to do 1 layer of noodles, a little bit of the ricotta mixture, more sauce, and then repeat.
What glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So another really good idea if you did not have lasagna noodles would be to use ravioli. I think it was my friend Brianna Kay. I saw she made lasagna with just ravioli, and I thought it was such a great idea because I really love her Alfredo lasagna with ravioli. So that is a good switch. Also, I've seen where people mention they use cream cheese instead of ricotta. I've never tried that before, but I've always been curious. I feel like I don't know if I would like the texture. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever tried it with cream cheese, and is it better? For your last layer, you're going to take your remaining meat sauce and you are going to top it. Once you spread all of that out, then you are going to add a little bit of mozzarella, and I combined mozzarella and parm. This lasagna was so easy to make and was so delicious, but even when I was super careful, it just made a mess everywhere. So I'm going to pop this in the oven, then I'm going to wipe the stove down, give it a quick vacuum, and then we will finish the decorating. Okay, we are finally starting our hot cocoa bar while the lasagna is cooking. I'm so excited. We are going to first put all of our containers in. So originally I wanted some beautiful like bamboo inserts, or even clear acrylic would have been amazing. But I was in a hurry and I did not have time to stop at Home Goods, and let's be honest, I have no self-control when I'm at Home Goods. So since I was already grabbing all of the candy, I just picked these up from Dollar Tree. So this is a true Dollar Tree hot cocoa bar like idea. Everything in here is from there. I also wanted to mention, if you guys do have like coffee, I have an espresso machine, so I just get like that, you saw that pack from Starbucks, so that whole pack of coffee, I just have them grind it to espresso. But if you have like a Nespresso machine, it would be really cool if you put some pods in here, or if you had a Keurig to put like your hot cocoa pods. Since I do not have that, I am just going to fill this all with candy, mints, hot cocoa packets, just all of the things that you would use if you're making coffee, iced espressos, anything like holiday beverage. If you go to Dollar Tree, you will be shocked at how just stacked they are and just ready for all the hot cocoa bars, Christmas in general. So what I chose was, I chose the Peeps Marshmallow Trees. I also chose the Stirring Chocolate Spoons. I thought that would be really good for hot cocoa. I got some Ferrero Rocher. I got some regular Hershey bars. I got some mint chocolate patties. I got regular mints. I chose some Lindor caramel milk chocolate truffle bars, and then I grabbed some of the Godiva caramel and chocolate bars as well. So all of these things, you can either drop them into coffee, drop them into hot cocoa. So delicious and so perfect for the holidays. And now that my drawer is organized, it was so satisfying and so much fun to do. I'm gonna add in my Starbucks hot cocoa, and then I have these really fun toppings that my mom grabbed for me. I have some sugar, chocolate, cinnamon, and then we're gonna add some candy canes to this cup. I just wanna make it super user friendly, so if somebody comes over, they can just feel free to make themselves a beverage. My sister was so sweet and bought me these 0-calorie, 0-sugar syrups. I'm so excited because I swear, I don't know about you guys, I feel like I gained 10 pounds just from holiday beverages from like fall until Christmas. So I'm trying not to do that this year. Now we are going to pull out the bread, switch the lasagna, give it a few more minutes, and we are going to organize our syrups. All right, dinner is done. It's way too hot for the kids to eat, but I am going to plate it for my husband because I know he is starving. He just got home from work super late. But after this, I am going to show you the final house tour. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe. I have so many cleaning and decorating videos this season. My next one will be on Sunday. It will be a Thanksgiving tree. You guys voted on that, so I will have that out for you on Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed it and got tons of inspiration, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.